If your income stops today, how long will your money continue working for you? 1 month, 3 months, or not at all? Because the truth is, many people focus on earning money but not enough on growing it. And over time, that creates a gap. Because income only does not build long-term wealth, investment does. Hello, my name is Chinenye. I'm a finance manager, a tax consultant, and a personal finance coach. In my experience working with both businesses and individuals, I've noticed something very common. People work hard to earn money. They grow their income. They expand their businesses. They take on more opportunities. But when it comes to investing, many people either delay it, avoid it, or approach it without a clear strategy. And the result is this: years of hard work without corresponding financial growth. Whether you are running a business or earning salary, investment is what transforms income into long-term wealth. So in this video, I'm going to break down how to start investing in simple and practical way, and how to approach investment whether you are managing a business or your personal finance. One of the biggest misconceptions about investing is that you need a lot of money to start. Not always true. Investment is more about consistency, discipline than size. For individuals, you can start small and grow over time. For business owners, investment can begin with reinvesting profits strategically. The key question is not how much do you have, but how am I using what I have? Because money that is not invested gradually loses value over time due to inflation. It is important to understand that investment happens at two levels. One, personal investment. This includes savings instruments, treasury bills and bonds, stocks and equity, real estate. These help individuals to grow outside their primary income. 2. Business investments. For business owners, investment may include expanding operations, buying equipment, entering new markets, improving systems and processes. Reinvesting in a business can generate strong returns, but it should be done strategically, not emotionally. Even if you run a business, it is important to also build personal investment, and even if you are employed, you can still invest in business opportunities. Every investment carries a level of risk. The goal is not to avoid risk completely. The goal is to understand it. There are generally 3 levels. 1. Low risk, like treasury bills and government bonds. These offer stability but low returns. 2. Moderate risk, like corporate bonds and balanced investment portfolios. These offer moderate returns but with some level of fluctuation. 3. Higher risk, like stocks and business ventures. This can create higher returns but also come with higher uncertainty. The key principle is never invest in something you do not understand. Take time to learn, ask questions, and evaluate the opportunity, because informed investing reduces unnecessary risk. There are a few common mistakes that affect both individuals and business owners. 1. Putting all money in one place. No diversification. 2. Investing based on hype, following trends without understanding fundamentals. 3. Neglecting personal investment. Business owners often reinvest everything into their business and ignore personal wealth building. 4. Lack of patience and expecting quick returns. 5. No clear strategy, investing without a defined goal. Investment should be intentional, not reactive. If you want to start investing, here's a simple approach. Step 1. Understand your financial position. Know your income, expenses, and available funds. Step 2. You don't need to wait for large capital. Step 3. Choose what you understand. Start with familiar and structured options. Step 4. Be consistent. Regular investment is more powerful than occasional large investments. Step 5. Think long-term. Wealth building takes time. Whether you're a business owner or an individual, income is important, but investment is what builds wealth. The goal is to move from working for money to having your money work for you. Investment is not about complexity. It's about discipline, understanding, and consistency. Start from where you are and grow what you have. Over time, you will begin to see the results. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.